Hello YouTube friends. Welcome back. Today we will explore Pony Express at Knott's Berry Farm in Buena Park, California. Pony Express is a steel motorbike roller coaster manufactured by Zamperla, a roller coaster and attraction company centered in Vicenza, Italy. This motocoaster design was the first to be placed in the United States. It began operations on May 22, 2008. The ride features motorbike-style seating and a flywheel launch system. Pony Express was a $9 million project that was added to the Ghost Town section of the park. The theme of the attraction is based on the historic Pony Express mail service. The attraction is designed to give riders the experience of being part of this delivery system, zooming over hills and around turns. Its out and back course shows riders views of Boot Hill and Bigfoot Rapids, two popular attractions also located in Ghost Town. Each train has 8 rows, with 2 seats in each row. The ride can accommodate up to 900 passengers per hour. Each rider's seat is shaped like a horse, and the rider straddles the saddle seat to create the feeling that they are riding on a horse. An automated restraint system secures the rider in their seat, pressing against his or her lower back, allowing the upper body to move fairly freely. The Pony Express ride lasts 36 seconds, and reaches heights of up to 44 feet. It is made up of a 1,300-foot-long steel track. The ride uses a flywheel and clutch system that catches a cable attached to the cars and delivers stored rotational energy, launching riders from 0 to 38 miles per hour down a straight launch track in less than 3 seconds. Please enjoy a front seat POV HD full ride. Did you enjoy this ride? Please comment below. Please like and subscribe with a click to the thumbs up below. See you next week with more West Coast amusement park rides.